All right, all. I'm going to attempt here to put this zipper back on track. So I've watched a few videos on how to do it. I would consider myself now an expert on doing it. So I'm just gonna snip right around here. Should do it with a good pair of scissors and try not to be lefty when you're snipping. All right, perfect. So I take my zipper and I'm gonna go on this area and voila, I'm in. And then now I'm going to take a needle of thread to this area and just put it across the track. This is going to be the new bottom of the track right here. I'm just going to close that area. All right. Thanks for watching.